When Raymond entered PEP, he knew he wanted a better future, not just for himself, but for his family. Today, more than 2 years after returning home, Raymond is a husband, father of 5, servant leader, and the 2025 Houston Servant Leader of the Year. But the title he's most proud of is Dad. This Father's Day, we're celebrating fathers who are rebuilding their lives, restoring their families, and creating a new legacy for the next generation. Every restored father has the power to change a family. Every restored family has the power to change a future.
I want y'all to know y'all can go home, man.
Learn more at pep.org/fathers.